term, to explain the term of my board for this DVR. I call this system unit as a DVR because for the final I'm using digital video recorder. This system unit, that is the meaning of DVR, digital video recording.
Versus the
No sir, there's no
okay. If I just representing the
yes.
go.
As you can see on the third page or fifth page.
E.
Yeah, fifth page.
Number 5.
On my first defense, last week, I already showed the components of this system unit. I already discussed what's the function, what is the operation, and at the final, this Lisa told me, and she have a request to operate any one of the DVR system software. So now it's here. I wrote some one piece of DVR PCI operated by PCI slot.
Using PCI slot.
Yes, this DVR is operated by PCI slot, and actually this new coming from CDRT, technology of